Okay, good afternoon on this Sunday. And if you listen very closely, you can hear the snores of the great monster David. He's in the recliner. You have to be very quiet because he talks to aliens. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, you can hear him in his deep sleep. Where is he at? He's in the recliner, but I can't show y'all to him because he's in his underwear. Oh, scary. Oh. And the bear sleeps on. Listen to him. Could play orchestra music with him. I could scream and holler and he never hears me because he's asleep. And this goes on and on and on like the Energizer Bunny. Snoring continues. And then he makes alien noises. What are you doing, David? What are you doing? And then he's back to snoring again. You wake him up and he still goes back, just like that. It's incredible. How does any man go back to sleep that quick? You could say weird things to him and he'd never even know. Listen to the deep snore. That was me. But anyway, it's a beautiful day outside. And I was just messing around with the David stuff. Yeah. And I guess that's it. We'll wrap it up with the great snore of the great monster David. Ooh. He's gonna turn into a zombie from the vaccine. And he's gonna eat me. I'm just joking. I'm not really joking. But anyway, y'all have a blessed evening. I just thought it'd be funny for y'all to actually hear what I hear. Because he's loud. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. God bless.